Have you ever seen an RV that doesn't leak? Well, I never have, and here are some signs to find out if it does leak or not. The first step is to examine the outside of the RV. Make sure to examine the RV from front to back, roof, and bottom. The fiberglass on the front of this RV seems to bubble, which isn't a good sign. Notice how the fiberglass is wavy. This means the fiberglass has more than likely pulled away from the frame, meaning there may be moisture inside. Make sure to check all your seals and transition moldings. It looks like this trim has been resealed and not properly applied. Look at the side fiberglass wall on a straight angle. If you see it bubbling or waving, then that's another indication that it may be damaged. Always check the tires and the frame. You can check the year of the tire by the DOT number. It looks like this frame rail has been rusted, meaning this RV may have been sitting in a highly corroded area. You can also check the structure of the fiberglass by feeling it. This fiberglass looks like it's completely come off the frame, indicating damage inside the unit. Also notice the seal around the window. It doesn't look like it's properly sealed and may need to be taken out and resealed again. Sometimes there's previous damage on the unit where someone may have tried to fix it. When not properly maintained, the seal can crack, causing moisture to come in. Climbing up the ladder, you'll see the transition molding between the back cap or the front cap. This molding looks neglected and may be replaced. If possible, walk onto the roof. Check your seals around your openings, your air conditioning, and vents, and see how stable the roof structure is. Here's another example of a bad seal. Walking into the unit, try and notice smells or odors. If it smells musky or moldy, that is a good indication of dry rot due to moisture. Check the integrity of the floor. If you notice soft spots, that's another indication of dry rot due to moisture. Also try to check for staining and mold. Open every cabinet and check the four corners of the unit, the back wall and the front wall, and any slide out. Mold and mildew can build up in the corners. Check the ceiling to see if there's any discoloring, especially if you have skylights or vents. If you have access, try to feel every panel on the walls. If the wood paneling has bowed out, that's another indication of damage. The most moisture buildup will be in the washroom. Check all the corners of the shower, skylight, and any openings that you will see. If the trim is coming off, that's not a good sign. So have you ever seen a maintenance-free RV? Let me know in the comments.